Magian Ireland Indigenous, and welcome to this reading, Tier 2 Intervention. Close reading is when we read something multiple times to get the greatest amount of comprehension. And that's what we're going to be doing today and through the 2 sessions next week. We're going to be reading a letter to the future. And we're going to be focusing on the first read. What is this passage about? And what does each time capsule include? You'll have the opportunity to write this out in the Google form or on paper and return it to me at our next paper exchange. I will also include the optional questions just to see how well you've understood this text. And then we'll worry about reads 2 and 3 on Monday and Tuesday of next week. I have set this up so that you have the opportunity to hear the story read to you, and feel free to follow along on yours. Maybe I'll read it to you. Technology, it's wonderful. A letter to the future. Letter from Mrs. Connor, teacher in 1917, Thomasville, New York. As I write this letter, our world is at war. My 4th grade students and I hope for world peace when our time capsule is opened in 100 years. My students carefully chose the items in this box to represent life in 1917. We hope you enjoy learning about our time. The 1917 time capsule contents. The New York Times, the national newspaper, has news of the Great War on the front page. A grocery store receipt, a dozen eggs cost 39 cents. Desk phone. Businesses are now using telephones to communicate rather than only handwritten and typed letters. Picture of class and list of names. Photographer took this black and white picture of our class. We have seen color photographs in National Geographic magazine. How exciting. Bus schedule. Most people in the city take buses to get to and from school and work. Letter from Mrs. Stein, teacher in 2017, Valley Stream, Texas. Greetings from the past. Our 4th grade class enjoyed reading an article about the time capsule buried by Mrs. Connor and her class in 1917. The article included the original letter and pictures of the artifacts. We decided to make our own time capsule to be opened 100 years from now in 2117. My students chose each item carefully, just as the students in the class 100 years ago did. We hope that you are reading this in a peaceful world. 2017 time capsule contents. The Valley Stream Star. The front page story is about our local rodeo. Supermarket flyer. A dozen eggs cost $1.99. Cell phone, charger, headphones. Almost everyone has a cell phone in 2017 and can video chat with people across the world. Flash drive. Students put their homework, favorite music, and photos onto the drive. They use flash drives with their laptops daily. Valley Stream High School football schedule. Just about everyone in town comes to watch the home football games. Once we've done this reading, I want you to go back to the Google form and answer these questions. What is this passage about? What does each time capsule include? Which will be split into 2 questions. Who is the intended audience for each letter? And what hopes did the class from 1917 have for the future? How does this compare to the hopes of the class from 2017? Look forward to seeing your answers, and we'll be discussing the story. Please feel free to participate during live Zooms of these interventions. That's the best way to make meaning with your peers. If you have any questions, reach out to me at mireland@psychchipschool.net. Mama P.